How to fix payment method on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix your payment method on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To fix your payment method, all you have to do is delete the current one and add a new one, and to do this you just have to open up settings, then tap your Apple ID profile from the very top, and then over here you'll find the option called payment and shipping. So just make sure to tap on this payment and shipping option. Once you make sure to tap on the payment and shipping option here, you're going to be landed on this page. So just go ahead and try to verify with your Face ID, and then you'll be able to see all the payments method that you've added. You want to make sure to delete any of the payment method if you've added them, or if you've not added, you can also choose to add a credit or debit card in this case. And after you've done that, you can try to do the things you're trying to do earlier, purchase an app or whatever else, and a payment method will get successfully added and fixed in this way. This is the way on how you can actually fix your payment on an iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.